Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can create a Google Docs document, for example, in your spaces on Workona. So let us dive into this. So guys, you can create these documents on Google Docs directly from your Workona account here in the Workona browser extension. All you need to do is navigate to the Workona browser extension, log into your account, and navigate, for example, to one of your spaces. Next, click into resources here, and then guys, you will see that create button at the top. Click into it and select new Google Doc. Make sure that you're logged in with the same Google/Gmail account as on Google Drive, because you can create, for example, these Google Doc documents here, and they will be automatically saved in your Google Drive folder, as you can see. So give your Google Docs here a name at the top, example document, and then guys, select the folder in your Google Drive account where you'd like to save your Google Docs. You may also set accessibility for for your team members from Workona, for example, to allow them to edit the given document, comment, or view. I will leave it at can edit. And you may save it also into your space here by selecting this option. Select the space from that list, which is already that one here, but you can of course click into the drop-down menu and select another space. And that's it. Start creating your Google Docs by clicking into this button. And that is going to redirect you to Google Docs. And here you can start creating your Google Docs, and it will be, as you can see, saved to Google Drive, as well as to your space on Workona here under the resources tab inside that space, so that you may access it, open it from here, even delete it, but only delete it or remove it from your space. If you'd like to remove it from Google Drive or Google Docs, excuse me, you will need to do that from there, of course. So guys, that's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.